making it rain over here the other day. You know, he wanted a Chrysler Pacifica. I said, why do you want one of those? You know, it's my old lady, she's like 300 pounds, and she needs something for, you know, big fat chicks, you know what I'm saying? So I told her, I said, you know, why don't you get her like a truck or something? Like, I don't want to spend that much kind of cash on her, you know? I'd rather spend that kind of cash, you know, buying fucking Molsons and fucking air conditioners, you know? What? So I hear you got a fast BMW. Oh yeah.
Ah, she's a ripper.
You know, she's alright, you know, she's got one of them single turbos. Hey, am I gonna light this fucking gas tank on fire?
That's what I'm saying, I don't know.
I'm kinda nervous there. If this thing catches on fire, we're fucked.
We're fucked.
Oh yeah.
There's no gas in it, I mean, but...
Last thing I want to do is set this fucker on fire, you know?
Yeah. Probably be doing it a favor there. Listen to this one.
I'm from the Great White North, right? Like I've all the big landmass that the rest of the world needs.
Holy fuck, dude, I think this shirt's fucked. Well, I'll tell you something now, that thing's pretty good to go. You're ready to fucking like drift into whatever it is you beaver guys do. Road tracks, no, road courses, road courses. Let me go do some road courses. We're gonna head up fucking, Lime Rock.
Alright. So, last night, I had my buddy Ryan come up here and he welded the reinforcement plates in and fixed a crack over there. I put this undercoating shit on the bottom of it. I kind of went crazy with it because I really didn't want rust. So hopefully that's all set. I don't know. Looks a little funky right there. Kind of small, but I don't think there's much stress on that point. So now all we have left to do is basically put the subframe up and then measure the drive shaft, and then yeah, I guess we're pretty much there. Ugh. So Zach already, I believe off camera, he took the camera arms, the orange ones off the VAC Motorsport. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the one that's bent. Look at that. That's how he was riding around. Just bent. But he replaced them with the Bav Auto ones. The big black fuckers. So this thing's really ready to go in. I'm in the process of painting the brake calipers the same yellow as the cage. But other than that, he got the subframe bushings in. I'm gonna put the diff in the subframe while it's out before I slide it under, because that thing is heavy as a, like, it's, you know, it's really heavy, so I don't want to put it up under the car. I'd rather just slide it in right here, make it easy. I've got the RTD shifter I think I might put in today too, and the steering wheel. We'll see. Alright, we're back for like day 1000 of this fucking project. I don't know if I filmed it, I'm pretty sure I did. But when I was putting the diff back in the subframe, the bolt that goes in the front, I cross-threaded the shit out of the threads that are in the diff itself. So I had to order a tap and die set specifically for that bolt, because it was a weird dimension. Or, you know, the regular tap and die set didn't have anything big enough, so I had to get something else. And these are yellow now, so that's pretty sweet. Anyway, here's the tap and die set right here. This is for something else. So what I'm gonna do now today is my first attempt at tapping something, and it's something pretty fucking crucial to the completion of this project. So now I'm gonna be real slow and careful about it, but hopefully it goes smoothly, unlike everything else on this goddamn project. I did put this in. I did it when I was really mad and upset about cross-threading that thing, so I didn't really film any of it. Pretty simple installation though. I mean, there's 3 bolts, then there's already holes in the tunnel for that. So there's 3 bolts that go in. You take the whole linkage off, like the whole top part of it just comes off. You don't need it. All you need is a selecting rod down there. And basically, the reason I have that DSSR over there is because when you put the car in like any gear, here, watch, it just brings it right back to center. So it's in first gear right now, but it looks like neutral. Say you want to put it in 5th, there's 5th gear, and it brings it like pretty much where 3rd should be. Or so it's the spring is just really strong. So I'm thinking that it's the flimsy little selector rod in there, and I also got the bushing for it. I'm thinking that these 2 things will fix that, and it'll actually stay where the gear is. Hopefully, I don't know, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. This has been on the lift for about 3 weeks now. So I've been coming back. It's like a, I don't know, 40-minute ride for me. And in the 7 series, that's about a 1/4 tank of gas. So I've been coming up here every weekend, and it's just a pain in the ass because I'll come up, stay here for an hour, break something, and have to leave. I did snap the bolt that goes in here, so I got to drill that out at some point too before the car can even drive. It's a fucking mess, man. It's a fucking mess. All right, boys. I don't wanna say anything before, you know, it's all back together, but I think I saved her there. Check this out. Here's the bolt. Oh, here's the bolt. Oh yeah, oh yeah, in and out with my fingers. Fucking saved her there, bud. Hell yeah. Now when I put it back in, I gotta make sure that shit is straight before I put it in. I'll show you the reason I was using this 10mm open end to move that. I know you're not supposed to, but right when I shut the camera off last time, before I did it, I wanted to go put this into the actual tool thing, and it was too fucking big. I almost just went home right there. Alright, time to put the diff in. Alright, sway bar's back on. Everything is connected. Diff's mounted in. Axle bolts are in the diff, torqued down with blue Loctite in them. And we're ready to go. I'm gonna slide it in now, see what we can do. Alright, now we got the subframe up. Got the 2 mounting bolts in the back in. I didn't like torque them down too hard, but they are snug right up against the frame of the car. While you are jacking the whole subframe up, you want to make sure that these front bolts slide through easily, and that they're exposed when it's all up and ready, because that's pretty important. Whatever. So it was kind of a bitch. It wasn't really that bad though. I just had the jack mounted right there, and it went up pretty smoothly. Any of the bolts that you put in the subframe, you just want to finger thread them, because it's pretty easy to cross thread them, because the whole subframe can be shifted and it won't move like easily, so the bolt won't guide itself in. You literally have to be lined up perfectly. As far as these front ones, I put some red Loctite in them up at the top, and I think I'm gonna put some, I put some blue Loctite on these bolts, not the red, because these might have to come out again, but the studs don't have to come out. That's why I put red on these, because even if you drop the subframe, the studs don't have to come out. So I might put some blue on the nuts for these, just to keep them on, just to make sure. Anyway, the next step is to put this M3 cross brace on. Now you're gonna, when you get the whole swap, you need this brace. I'm not sure why. I think it's because of the differential, like the thing right there. This is the only one that fits. I don't know, that's just what I was told, so I'm going with that. And then if you reinforce your subframe, you're gonna wanna, well, you have to put these little spacers up in here, like sandwiched in between the cross member and the body, just to make sure everything is spaced the same amount. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna put this up. It's just the 4, I think 13mm bolts go up into here, and then these are sandwiched in between the subframe bushing and this. So you kind of need this on in order to complete the subframe installation. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll get back to you. There's no real way to mount the camera under here, so just trust me that I did it. Alright, I got that up. Everything lined up perfectly. Literally, this entire thing just slid right in. No modification. The sway bar is dumb close against the tire well. A lot of people say the M3s don't have tire wells, so you have to make room for the sway bar, but that looks good enough. Not much room, but who the fuck cares? This thing slid in like a glove. Now I'm gonna all I have to do now is the trailing arms, but what I can do is a big thing, you know, pretty sweet. So we can drop the jack, see what we're dealing with, see if it stays up there. Cross your fingers. Woo! I had the whole car off the fucking lift. She's in there, bud. She's fucking in there. Hell yeah. Dude, that is gonna scrape the ground so hard. Look at that. Yo, that's what Zach had the same problem on his car. These M3 diff covers, the heat dispersion thing hangs so low compared to non-M cars. Like, look at that. Whatever, we'll fucking scrape it off. I'm putting 18s on here anyway, so I think it'll be off the ground a decent amount. I'm hyped. Hell yeah. I'm gonna do the trailing arms real quick, and then we'll measure the drive shaft, and I think we'll be done for the day. Alright folks, trailing arms are up. They went in perfectly as well. Now I'm gonna take the M3 drive shaft, and I'm gonna take my I got an M3 like that. I got an M3 Guibo. It is thicker than the regular E46 one by just a hair, but get an M3 one for sure. The one that was on the car, the M3, was trash, so I just ordered a new one. So I'm gonna put the M3 drive shaft connected to the transmission in there with this Guibo, and then we'll see how much space we need to add to the drive shaft. Alright, so I got the M3 drive shaft in the car. I got it connected to the differential. It comes up, and the center support bearing matches up good. And then, as you can see, we need a little bit of material. So what I'm gonna do is measure from right here, like the back of this right there, to right there where it would mount up. And I think that is what I'm gonna need. And I guess I'm gonna need it on this first section of the drive shaft, because if you lengthen that one, it'll fuck it up. So when I go there, well, let me just measure this first and let me see what I get. Alright, so as we can see, kind of hard to see with the light, but anyway, I'm going with 4 inches. It's a little below 4 inches right now, but I'm going with the fact that when I bolt in the drive to the differential, it's gonna pull it in about the amount that it's short 4 inches. So it comes to right, it's like right there. So 3 and like 7/8. So I think when the down in the differential, when that cup sinks in, when it gets tightened, I think it's gonna pull it back to exactly 4. So between there and there, it'll be exactly 4. That's what I'm gonna go with. I hate this whole drive shaft shop thing. First time anybody's ever done it that I knew was Zach, and it's sketchy because literally like millimeters off and the whole thing is fucked, and all that work for nothing. So I don't know. I'm gonna go with 4 inches, and we're gonna see what happens. Also, I installed this sick bad boy right there. It fixed pretty much the whole issue up there, and it shifts super super tight now. It's crazy. Much faster. No power.
That's the one. Look at these.
Are those not race lamps?
They're not race lamps.
Wow.
I picked these up, 150 bucks. I've never heard of that brand before, DGR. If you look them up, cheapest ones you can get, over $1,000. And these ones have dust on them. That's all they have, is just a little dust in the dust shield, and that's it. They're like fucking brand new. No rust, no nothing. So I bought them so I can put rust on them. And they're fucking mint. And they're adjustable camber. We're trying to get them to fit right now.
Yeah, I might have to trim the circle, but hopefully
But
not.
yeah, no more race lands. That might actually be turning. Oh,
No.
it's actually turned.
No way.
It's not breaking yet, and I've turned it 360. Oh, yeah. She's free.
Oh my god. Woo!
Price me out.
Well, on the other side. Did you show it yet? Yeah. That bolt broke off, but it didn't on the other side. Somehow. Woo! Sick.
They're clean though, huh?
Oh yeah, super clean.
40,000 miles. Alright.
That's a lot of life.
Hey, so. Oh yeah. Got the drive shaft back from the shop. 5 fucking weeks later.
It's 5 weeks.
It's like 4.5 weeks. And that's all they did. They just replaced this whole section with a new piece of pipe. And it took them 5 weeks to do that. And they didn't even paint it. I had to paint it. $200. Sick. But it fits perfect. Hopefully. And hopefully it's balanced. But we're putting that in. We did all the brakes. They're not bled yet.
No.
And then I gotta weld the exhaust because there's a hole in it. And that's it. And that's it. And I need tires and alignment. And that's it.
There's a hole in your exhaust.
Yeah, dude, go look at it.
Alright guys, so I'm going to teach you guys how to weld. Okay, professional style. We got a Home Depot welder. Lincoln Electric, not bad. Harbor Freight wire. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure the welds are nice and rusty. I want to zoom in. There we go. Alright, see all that rust? That's what you want. It makes the stick, the little wire, the wire stuff right here, stick to it better. Okay, so smack it a couple times with a whatever the fuck the stick, a file. Make sure it's weak in the metal a little bit so it's easier to weld. Cool. Now once it's nice and weak, you can just send it. Holy shit, that was actually a good weld. What the fuck? Ow. Alright, so as you can see, first weld is prime. Yeah, per usual, not a big deal. It's fine. Another thing you want to make sure of is you got to make sure you're wearing shorts and a short sleeve shirt because it's good for welding. Are you kidding me? Maybe what's his face fucking bestowed this welder with like good welding. So as you can see, we got some prime welds right here. Definitely will not leak.
Better fucking
Just pressure tested it up to 150 psi. Welds held fine. No air leaks, you know.
Gotta be boosting this thing.
Yeah, we're gonna have some serious exhaust boost going on. Probably at least like 30 psi of exhaust boost. Not even a joke. Gotta make sure we put some high temp paint on them, you know, so they don't rust.
Oh my god, come on!
Dude, they're not gonna rust now.
Oh, it is enamel though.
Yeah, it's all 500 degrees. This is Amazon Prime. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll be able to see exhaust leaks with this too, you know, since it's yellow. Alright. Getting close to being able to put this on the ground. The exhaust is up.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
Yeah. Had to find like 4 random bolts and nuts. Do you do that? Now he's just putting the last plate for the exhaust up. Gonna put that on.
I want to at least start it up.
And we gotta bleed the brakes and make sure it runs still.
I think it might. The shot that I might need a new battery. But
Yeah.
I won't find out until it's broken down in a parking lot somewhere.
Yeah, I should put that on the charger now.
No, we'll just jump it when I go.
Alright, yeah, we can do that too.
My battery's fucking strong.
Yeah. Because it's gotta start a boat.
Alright. Should we start it before we build the bridge?
Yeah, fuck it.
I just want to hear it.
Sames. It hasn't fucking ran in like 2 months. Was it the last time you drove this to like when we went to like Gillette or some shit?
No, it was Divine's meat.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, dude, that was like, when the fuck was that? That was a long time ago. I love how there's subs in there and there's all that room. Send it! Yeah. Woo! I feel like it'd be easier to burn the garage down than restart instead of cleaning it.
Oh, I got lights.
Oh
Dude,
my god.
It literally works so fast. That thing is fucking easy.
It's like the speed of light.
Oh, dude, get this interior with the lights on. Dude. Open that door. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that.
She's gonna fucking start right up there. Give it a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Look. Thinking like,
Oh my god.
you can adjust where this sits too.
Yeah.
So it's like, think something like that.
What the hell is that? Put your food in the glove box, dude?
It's an electrical problem.
Ugh.
Alright.
God. Dude, if they chew through something, I'm gonna kill them.
I haven't been in here in a while. I don't think my fuses are in. I think
There's a
they're
lollipop in there. Oh my god, dude.
That's bad. Alright.
What?
Fuse number 67, the immobilizer, is blown.
Really?
So my car is immobilized. That means it's immobile.
Interesting. Wonder why that blew. Maybe because a fucking mouse chew through something? Fucking mice.
We should be good to go. And if it blows again, the car is done.
Yeah,
Toast,
sell it.
finito. Come on! I'm not even close enough. Is there another, like... Dude, come on, bro.
I wonder if the starter's like stuck out. That's why it's not clicking. Or so you just put the battery from the M3 in here to test that out, see if that'll work. The case of the missing key. Where did it go this time? What'd you do?
I swapped the ECU
Really?
to the old one.
What? The stock one?
No, the other tune one that I had that was fucking up. Remember?
What was wrong with that one?
I had Cameron's in there.
Oh.
And then this is the one that when you drive,
Oh, right,
it
right,
goes
right.
into that.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Idling good.
Hell yeah, it is. Dude. What? It's like definitely the bottom end. It's probably a spun bearing or some shit, dude. Rod knock. Oh yeah. Oh, put it in gear and see if it rolls and shit. Yeah, they spin.
What is that noise? How could
That's bad, dude. That's fucking bad. I don't know. I don't know, like. I don't know. Okay. First time on the ground in a long time. Does the jacks even work? Oof.
What the fuck?
Oof. They get like crooked for some reason. It's weird. It's real weird. Alright. Soft?
You hear that?
Yeah.
That's air, right?
Could be. Sounds like it's like a rubber boot or something on the fucking thingamabob.
My oil lights on.
Oh, good. We don't need oil. This thing runs on hopes and dreams. Don't need no oil.
Oh my god, dude. This is a very sketchy trip. Do I have power steering? Dude, I literally don't have brakes though.
Is it really bad? Like, does it stop? It worked.
We're going to the gas station. Use gas.
do it.
Needs gas more than I need my leg.
Yeah.
New steering wheel. Everything about this is different right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like to the floor when it breaks. Car's like, what the fuck?
Hey!
We're hoping that ticking goes away because if you've seen the oil pump nut video, after you drive it for a little while, the oil pressure builds up. Saying? So.
Yeah.
Forgot.
Brakes sound really good.
Holy shit, the brakes are to the floor. I have no brakes. But it's okay because I don't use any brakes. I don't have. Okay, yeah, I guess go.
This guy's flying.
Bro.
Dude. Chill with that.
I don't think you know what you're dealing with right now. Oh my god, dude. It feels good though.
It does.
Look at this alignment. Did you torque all the wheels?
Oh, no,
What?
I didn't.
You didn't?
No, they're all they're impacted.
Fuck. Whoops. Not playing that game.
Nope. No way.
Dude, I can feel the fucking diff. Dude, it just wants to torque me up, bro.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
Nice.
Oh, it's gonna feel so much faster. Like, well, I mean, no, it is.
Oh, is
It
this
definitely is.
this is a shorter too, right? Shorter too.
It's a 3.62. I'm up from a 3.38.
Oh.
It's up 0.3.
Holy
And
shit, dude.
with the 3.38, that was already up
That's a big
0.3
difference.
from the 2.93 stock one.
Yeah.
So I'm up twice what it is stock, or like one whole.
It's a lot of torque.
It's a lot of torque. We just gotta fix these brakes, and this is fucking daily.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta torque these wheels. Wheels are torqued. Back on the road. Going to get gas.
Yeah, this thing is bone dry.
Bone. We're pushing it the rest of the way.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Going from driving a fucking 97 7 Series for fucking 8 months and getting back in a fucking race car.
Yeah.
Dude.
It's pretty large difference.
With a roll cage, dude. Oh. With the Budget Bimmers in there, can you see it?
Not really. It's too dark.
Oh, baby. I wonder how it's gonna fucking, Ooh.
No!
I caught a cup!
No way, dude! We're dragging a fucking cup! Are you kidding me right now?
I haven't had a low car in a while. I guess I gotta avoid cups.
What the hell is that caught on? That's so funny. Dude, those wheels look nice. I like these wheels.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, we'll be able to tell which brake isn't working. So that one has barely any wear. Those are good.
That one has barely any wear.
Like, the rust is still there. That one's pretty good.
It's this one.
Oh, it's both the rear ones, dude. The rear ones are tapped. We did raise, yeah, that makes sense because that whole section was out of fucking brake fluid. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh,
Look at that, dude. Full tank, 30 bucks. Fuck out of here, bro. My life just got a whole lot. Excuse me, race car coming through.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a yellow roll cage. What's up?
Did you see the brakes? They are also yellow.
Yes. And you see the
you see-
exhaust welds? Those are yellow.
The stripe on the steering wheel, that is also yellow.
We should make the interior lights yellow.
I only wear yellow shirts when I'm in the car.
Ooh.
What? What? No, don't make it yellow.
Come on. Radio, yellow.
How do I get to that?
Moonlight, yellow.
How do I
Take a
get to
left.
that?
And you go straight forever. Alright, pull the hydro. Rip it. Rip the hydro. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Sounds good.
yeah.
It's not even ticking anymore.
Woo!
Gotta hit this
Oh.
tunnel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Came to the car wash with
Get like a shot up here. Like go to the $4. Like go here, $4, and then I'm gonna take my wallet out at 3. All right. Let's go home. It's gonna be a little wet for you.
oh.
The door.
Oh my god, dude, what the hell happened?
The window wasn't closed at all. Even this window was leaking.
Oh,
This thing's not watertight at all. This
holy crap, dude.
I think we just have to put, like pull that up.
Yeah.
Alright, what are we doing?
Going 60.
Dude, that's not bad.
Yeah.
$3 grand. It's also because if I had 17s on, it'd be going crazy.
Oh yeah,
You know?
that's true.
Because the 18s.
Yeah.
Which is good though, because now I can run the 18s all the time.
Yeah.
No turn signal, no problem.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck. Oh, we need a wrench. Fuck.
So you take a broken turn signal stock and you stick something in there and it becomes a blinker.
Oh, maybe just fly. Just use fly.
Yeah. Needle.
Come on, buddy. Fuck. It's so. It's small.
I know.
Oh, maybe a forks.
Will Christian ever figure it out? Stay tuned for the next episode of As the Budget Beamers Go.
Oh wait, no. As the world turns, you know that soap opera?
Oh, yeah.
As the budget turns. Fucking kidding me, that's sick, dude. Oh, I turned your high beams on. Wait, how do they just turn on?
No. That light's always on.
Oh, alright.
Well, they used to be stuck on.
Alright,
I don't
so.
have high beams plugged in. I don't have them plugged in.
Okay. Rear brakes are rebled. Fix the turn, single, stock, whatever the fuck. Put the old battery back in. It's charging right now. Put the battery back in my M3. And this thing's ready to go. Should probably put these jumper cables back in. Where are they? Jumper cables are in the car. JIC.
AC, dude.
Oh no.
Looking large now, boy. Still charging. Good. Alright. And I'm out.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.
Alright, so I don't know what the last clip I took was, but the diff's in. It's been in for like a week, but we haven't been able to make a clip of it yet. And so that's what we're doing right now. Going to an undisclosed location. Where the fuck is that? I bet you there was a AAA truck over there
Oh yeah.
a minute ago.
Alright. Time to do some shredding. Fucking shred it! Jesus Christ.
My 360. Yeah, there's no, I don't know, okay. Well, we need to practice.
Yeah.
Jesus fuck.
You need a
bud.
hydro too. That fucking.
Yeah, like
That'd be so much easier
it's
with
weird.
that.
I can't tell what first gear is. First gear runs out of juice so quick
Oh yeah. Like
that
that.
it's just like, and then second gear. Okay, I'm on the big tires. I don't have 17s or anything back there. I'm on the big 255, so that's another reason why I can't spin them too well.
Yeah. You can see a lot of this windshield right now.
Alright. Jesus,
What
man.
the fuck, dude?
Oh. Come on, dude. Oh, fuck.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
This is not good. You can't see a thing.
It'll go away once it evaporates. It just has to evaporate. I can see right now. I'm good. It's just gotta evaporate. Oh no. Should I I put cold or warm?
It's
I
what
never know.
AC is.
AC?
AC takes the moisture out of the air.
Oh fuck! I thought you had to like heat it. No,
No.
see, look, I'm heating it. Get your AC out of
Oh, the
here,
AC works. I swear to God.
dude. I'm melting it with the. I mean, I'm making it evaporate. See, it just takes a little longer, but it's more of a permanent fix.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Got an Ace Ventura of this shit.
dude, really testing the fucking suspension on this. Fucking throwing it around.
Yeah.
That was bad.
Looked like fun.
Yeah. Well, it's so weird. You can't do anything in first gear, and then second gear you can't even control it.
Yeah, that's weird. I wonder if it'd probably be better in the dry. Rain is hard to do anything.
Yeah, that's true too.
Can't control it.
Yeah. And I need smaller tires.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you have it. It's been quite the journey. But the M3 diff is in. The whole rear end is in. The drive shaft is done. We're having fun. So,
Wow.
we're hooking up the hydro next with a dual caliper kit. Stay tuned. That video will be up very soon because we have a time limit on that one. So,
Oh yeah.
yeah. Peace.
The next day.
Well, it might look like there's water up to my door, and yeah, you might be right, because I'm fucking flooding over here. So, sick. I just drove into a place, and my engine shut off, and here I am on the side of the road, filling up with water. Fucking sick, dude. Fucking sick. Look at that. Floating in water. Nice. Awesome. Love my life. Going on a nice cruise. Maybe I'll get a fish for back here. I can just have him swim around. Feeding him every once in a while. That's pretty good. It's not bad. You know. Well, other boaters flying by. That's good. Oh, there he goes. Nice. Sweet.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.